Introduction. In today's video, we're diving into the world of affordable plant-based eating with the insightful book Plant-Based on a Budget by Toni Okamoto. This fantastic resource is all about making nutritious, plant-based meals accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. Toni's approach emphasizes that eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. With practical tips and delicious recipes, she shows us how to enjoy a vibrant, plant-based diet without overspending. As we explore this topic, we'll highlight the importance of budget-friendly meals in promoting a healthier lifestyle. Many people believe that eating well requires a hefty grocery bill, but Toni challenges that notion. By focusing on whole foods, seasonal produce, and smart shopping strategies, she empowers us to make choices that benefit both our health and our wallets. Throughout this video, we'll share some key takeaways from the book, along with practical advice on how to implement these strategies in your own kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based eater or just starting your journey, you'll find valuable insights that can help you eat well while staying within your budget. So, let's get started on this exciting journey toward affordable, healthy eating. Understanding plant-based diets. A plant-based diet primarily focuses on foods derived from plants, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. While it doesn't necessarily mean that you must eliminate animal products entirely, the core principle is to prioritize plant foods in your daily meals. This approach encourages a diverse range of nutrients, promoting overall health and well-being. One of the most significant benefits of adopting a plant-based diet is improved nutrition. By incorporating a variety of plant foods, you can increase your intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are crucial for maintaining good health. Additionally, many people find that a plant-based diet supports effective weight management. With lower calorie density and higher fiber content, plant foods can help you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Beyond personal health, plant-based diets also have positive environmental impacts. By reducing reliance on animal agriculture, we can lower greenhouse gas emissions, conserve water, and decrease deforestation. Ethical considerations also play a role, as many choose plant-based eating to promote animal welfare. Overall, embracing a plant-based diet can lead to a healthier lifestyle while contributing to a more sustainable and compassionate world. Budgeting basics for plant-based eating. When it comes to eating plant-based on a budget, effective meal planning is your best friend. By planning your meals for the week, you can create a focused shopping list that helps you avoid impulse buys and reduces food waste. Start by selecting recipes that use similar ingredients, which allows you to buy in bulk and maximize your savings. Shopping smart is another key strategy. Consider purchasing staple items like grains, beans, and nuts in bulk, as this often reduces the cost per serving. Additionally, take advantage of seasonal produce. Fruits and vegetables that are in season are typically more affordable and fresher, making them a great choice for your meals. Visiting local farmers markets can also yield great deals on fresh produce. Lastly, tracking your expenses is crucial for staying within your budget. Keep a record of your grocery spending and compare it to your planned budget. This practice not only helps you identify areas where you can cut costs, but also encourages mindful spending. By implementing these budgeting strategies, you can enjoy a delicious and nutritious plant-based diet without straining your finances, making healthy eating accessible for everyone. Affordable plant-based ingredients. When it comes to building a budget-friendly plant-based diet, certain ingredients stand out as staples that are both nutritious and affordable. Beans and lentils are excellent sources of protein and fiber, making them versatile options for a variety of dishes. Rice and oats are also essential staples that provide a solid base for meals, offering energy and satiety at a low cost. Another great tip for saving money is to incorporate frozen fruits and vegetables into your diet. They are often less expensive than fresh produce, especially when certain items are out of season. Frozen options retain their nutritional value and can be used in smoothies, soups, or stir-fries, making them a convenient choice for busy days. Don't forget to explore local markets for fresh, affordable produce. Farmers markets often offer seasonal fruits and vegetables at competitive prices, and buying directly from local growers can lead to significant savings. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to support your community while enjoying fresh, high-quality ingredients. By focusing on these affordable plant-based staples and exploring various shopping options, you can create delicious meals that fit your budget and nourish your body. Simple and budget-friendly recipes. When it comes to easy and budget-friendly plant-based recipes, there are plenty of delicious options to choose from. One great example is chickpea curry. This hearty dish combines canned chickpeas, diced tomatoes, and your favorite spices, creating a flavorful meal that can be served over rice or with naan. It's not only affordable but also packed with protein and fiber. Another quick and cost-effective recipe is vegetable stir-fry. Simply toss together a mix of seasonal vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots in a hot pan with a splash of soy sauce or your preferred seasoning. Serve it over rice or noodles for a satisfying meal that can be made in under 30 minutes. The beauty of these recipes is their flexibility. Feel free to customize them based on what you have on hand or what's on sale at your local grocery store. This not only helps reduce food waste, but also keeps your meals exciting. Additionally, consider batch cooking these recipes. Preparing larger quantities allows you to save time during the week and ensures you have healthy meals ready to go. By making a big batch of chickpea curry or vegetable stir-fry, you can enjoy delicious, budget-friendly meals without the daily cooking hassle. Tips for eating out on a budget. Dining out while maintaining a plant-based diet can be enjoyable and budget-friendly with a few smart strategies. First, look for restaurants that offer plant-based options on their menus. Many eateries now cater to vegan and vegetarian diets, providing a variety of delicious choices. This not only makes it easier to stick to your dietary preferences, but can also lead to discovering new favorite dishes. Before heading out, take the time to check the restaurant's menu online. This allows you to plan your meal in advance and ensures you won't be caught off guard by limited options. Knowing what you can order ahead of time can help you make healthier choices and avoid impulse decisions. Another great tip is to consider sharing dishes or ordering sides. Many restaurants serve generous portions, so sharing an entree with a friend can save you money while allowing you to try multiple items. Additionally, ordering a few sides, like a salad or roasted vegetables, can create a satisfying meal without the cost of a full entree. By following these tips, you can enjoy dining out while staying true to your plant-based lifestyle and keeping your budget in check. Conclusion. In today's video, we explored the essential aspects of maintaining a budget-friendly, plant-based diet. We highlighted the importance of meal planning as a strategy to save money and reduce food waste. By focusing on affordable staples like beans, lentils, rice, and oats, you can create nutritious meals without overspending. We also discussed the benefits of incorporating frozen fruits and vegetables, as well as exploring local markets for fresh produce. We shared simple and budget-friendly recipes, such as chickpea curry and vegetable stir-fry, emphasizing the flexibility to customize these dishes based on what you have available. Additionally, we provided tips for dining out, encouraging you to seek restaurants with plant-based options, check menus online, and consider sharing dishes to keep costs down. As you implement these tips, Remember that eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive. By making mindful choices, you can enjoy a vibrant plant-based lifestyle while staying within your budget. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can inspire healthier eating habits and make plant-based living accessible for everyone. Thank you for watching.